Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast of the Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how to delete email address from your Gmail. Okay, so when you try to compose new email, so there is a suggestion or you can say history show of your previous email ID. So if you want to delete it, you can delete it easily. So guys, let's start with the video. I'm going to show in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my Gmail. So guys, here I'm on my Gmail account. So let me compose a new email, and if I trying to add some receipt here, so you can see there is a server suggestion here, which is these two I'm okay with, but I don't want to this email ID. I want to delete it. But when you right click on it, there is a no option, but you can delete it from your session. Okay, so just click again. I just click an N. Okay, so I want to remove this email ID. So just navigate your cursor on this email ID. Now this option will become. Now click on this pencil icon, then it will be bring you the contacts. Okay, and here you will see this contacts. Now just click on this cancel icon. Now you will have this email ID. Now just click on this three dot option and you can delete from here. Okay, you can hide also, but you can delete it. So it is actually delete from your contacts, so it will be deleted permanently. Okay, so when I delete it, it will be delete. It will be into the trash. You have to delete from here also. You can recover it, but I just delete it. Okay, so now if I try to, okay, so I have to refresh. Let me refresh first. Now just let me open the compose again for the new mail. Yeah, my internet it's slow, I think. Okay, it's okay. Now it's open. Now if I trying to enter the and you can see only 3 email ID has come. The last email ID has been deleted. Okay, you can also go by here also. From here also, just click on contacts, then contacts will be open. Now the search the email ID name. Okay, the email ID will become here. Now just click on it. Okay, and now you can delete the from here, and after you have to delete from trash also. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.